Hey, hey! Hey, hey! So, what's up guys? So, I'm now, andito ako. Magtagalog ba ako? Again. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is Angel Paige and you're watching Angel Paige ADP TV. So, right now, I'm here in family au pairs events kasi birthday ng may-ari ng agency. Anong tiningin-tingin nyo dyan? Anong tingin-tingin? Abangers ng alin? Ano abangers ng alin? Anong message ka, Ate Pat?
Happy birthday, Ate Pat.
Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Ate Pat.
Okay.
Oh! Ate Pat, God bless.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate Pat. Happy birthday, Ate Pat.
Anong agency tayo?
Family au pair.
Woo! Proud yarn! Woo! Happy birthday to you! Woohoo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Pat! Kainan na! Yan, nakapila na ba yan sa picture taking? Kapila yan. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel and you're watching Angel Paige ADP TV. So right now, andito ako sa garden ng bahay ng may-ari ng family au pair, which is yun yung agency ko nung nag-au pair ako. So, I will take this opportunity na mag-share sa inyo kasi I have now my batchmate here na hindi na siya au pair din, pero we're still here sa event ng agency. So, I will share to you now the options you can have after being an au pair. So, well, number one, some people found their loved ones, so kinasal na sila. Iba nag-partnership, and others have cross-country. So, yung ibang batchmate namin, andun na sa Luxembourg, nasa Denmark na, at yung iba nasa Norway. So, nag-cross-country sila kasi if you really want to stay here in Europe legally, so you can do that na mag-cross-country ka. As au pair pa din, as au pair pa din. And next is, here my batchmate Bibilin. She will share her journey after her being an au pair.
So, nag-pair kami in 2021 until 2022. And personally, nag-jump ako as a student visa. I took my master's in Maastricht University. And it's very possible given na ma-meet mo yung requirements, admission from au pair to student. It's very possible. And now, I'm graduated over a year now, or almost a year now. And I'm working, and yeah, so that's why I-invite pa rin kami sa au pair events ng family au pair because we're really connected and we also get the opportunity to know the new au pairs.
Yes, we still feel like we're au pairs, okay, but we feel old. You're right, looking at these youngsters there inside, they're having karaoke. And yeah, so that's another opportunity you can get after being a pair, being a student. And my story is that I got working visa, so that's called highly skilled migrant visa. So it's also very possible. Just have the confidence kasi of course there's a lot of discouragement and all. So laban lang, and to do that is that of course you have to apply for jobs. Kailangan ayusin yung resume mo and all. And then yeah, just normal way of application sa work. So that's why I got my working visa and I was able to stay here longer. After 3 years, we're here still. 3 years. Yeah, 3 years, almost 3 years, right? So that's it. That's the opportunities, the options you can get after being an au pair. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye! I want to thank her for sharing her story. Hi! Ano?
Lahat ng sexy itaas ang kamay.
Oh!